Here's how to log into iCloud on Android. Now, I have my Samsung Galaxy here. I can log into my iCloud account just by going into Google Chrome here. So once you're in Google Chrome, all you need to do is tap on the URL bar, and we're going to go directly to iCloud.com. You'll be able to see your iCloud photos, your Find My, your contacts, your email, all of that stuff. So let's just tap on Sign In. And you'll be able to see it says sign in with your Apple account. So let me tap on sign in here. And you can either sign in with your iPhone if you have your iPhone nearby, or just tap on sign in to immediately sign in. Now keep in mind, it might ask you to verify everything on your iPhone. It might send a code to your iPhone or iPad or Mac computer just to verify it. After you've done that, you'll be able to see, I can scroll down. Here's my iCloud account. I can see everything on here. So my email, my iCloud email, my photos, my iCloud Drive, notes, reminders, Find My, invites, all of that stuff. And of course, if I scroll down to photos, I'll be able to see all of those photos and I can download them to my Android phone if I wanted to, etc.